Amanya gange nze Zafaran nga ndi Omuyimbi ali signed under Swangz Avenue.
How when you're together tandikira, like somebody watching you right now and you're going to who is Zafaran?
Zafaran is a Ugandan. God-fearing. I love people. I'm very passionate about music. And I love to use music to inspire, to entertain, and to educate, and to spread love.
So that's your profile as Zafaran. Going back into the music industry, inspiring
I believe I'm talented.
All right.
Yes, I believe I'm talented. And if I am talented, I believe okubanga you pursue your goal.
Okay.
Yes.
Are you joining Swangz Avenue because it's going to be your first project you signed? What inspired you, and of all companies virtual on our Swangz Avenue? What Swangz Avenue chose you?
About Swangz Avenue choosing me, I think we all chose each other because it is my friend who introduced me.
All right.
It is my friend who introduced me to Swangz Avenue, and nemba wawaka wange ne bamuwuliriza nabo ne bampa owaabwe ne mukola. I recorded quite many projects with them. Yeah, netubeera ne Tasker Conversations. I think you've watched them. I was a backup artist by then. Yeah, pola, and here we are now.
Also backing Abayimbi?
Yes, madam, backing Abayimbi. Backing Zeko King Saha, Tasker Conversation. Backing Zeko John Black.
Okay.
Backing Zeko Jose Chameleon. Backing Zeko B2C. Quite many.
Ulemina story nga joining Swangz Avenue mubayimbi bebalina as a label or as a brand gwe soko tutangaze like ba considerinze kuchi okuyingiza ila story chi yaba inspirinze because wetulaba ono ali current yakavayo sorry yakajoininga omutono azawo ya joininga nga aze kubaguza nyimba. Yes, kati gwa bafuna otya?
Nze mukwano gwange ye yanconnectinga. It is my friend. Twali mu bandi yemu nga drama. Nze ndi Omuyimbi. So amanyi abantu ba Swangz. So he introduced me to them. Nemba wawaka wange, and that's how we started.
Emabega ko oyina projects wali okoze before joining Swangz?
Yeah, I had like 1, 2. Nayo bimanyi ngo muziki gwa kuyiriba kupika and all that. Yes. Of course, nga tugezaako nga bwe tusobola.
Omuntu yanebuuzira mbu how long banga kiramaze mu kubeera nga an active musician?
4, 5 years.
4, 5 years.
I should say, yeah.
When did you start singing? What time did you okuyimba? Wali ku myaka emeka?
Nali muto kuba even music has paid part of my school fees.
Okay.
Yes.
4, 5 years okusomozebwa oyise mu kungi. Oyise mu mbeera okusomozebwa etya musically nga tunafuna Swangz Avenue nga tunatuuka wano wotuuse today?
Ekisinga okubaamu ng'ebisoomoozo bw'oba tonnatuuka to the peak nga tebanakumanya oyina okwepushinga like you always have to deliver. Oyinza okwesanga nga you're doing a lot naye ng'ofuna kitono. Like tenakkiriza this is like a step ntozimba kizimbe. Yeah, so nakkiriza bukkiriza nemanya my time will come naye nga muli mbeera ngamba I pray for more better days.
Okay.
I've been using that statement like always. Okay. I pray for more better days because namanya my time is going to come. Kati ebyo byonna ebyajjanga ebisoomoozo tukoze ekiro oyiri byendongo onyuse ssaawa 8 gwa kiro olina okgenda ku makya okole ebirala obimaliriza nga te n'enkya olina rehearsals era regular olinayo show. So saabitwalanga mu mutima mu because namanya it is a preparation okubaako wentuusa.
Zafaran, oli mukyala, oli Omuyimbi mukyala. Wadde wayisemu mu mbeera ey'okuga nti waliwo manager abajja abakuyita mu buyisi nga tebali serious nga beenoonyeza byabwe.
Okumpitamu kinene. Okumpitamu kinene. But buli omu abeera n'ekirowoozo kye and nga bw'ogambye nti buli omu ayisaawo ekikye oyinza okujja nga you have right intentions gyendi nga gwe ekirowoozo kyo kyakusupportinga music wange and all that naye ng'oli ajja agamba it will work best ng'ako kakyala kange you know it happens kyenjogedde it happens right nze nga nze sikiyiseemu kozi namanya kyenzimba kankiwe budde my time is going to come actually nasabanga nnyo mukama you guys I love God so nasabanga nnyo mukama nga mugamba mukama nkusaba ompe natural breakthrough
nga si yabibato
thank you natural breakthrough ekintu kyekole kyokka on its own nga teri kukakambeera nti ate maze kuyiira ono mubiri ate ntunuddeko mu siiringi ya gundi you know things like that so everything has just worked itself out.
Yes. Wali mu Swangz and Swangz is brand emanyidde okusayininga abakyala. So okay, now the very first question amongst the ladies abakyala bonna abali mu Swangz, who is your favorite?
I love them all. I should say. Bonna banyangwira because they are welcoming, they are loving ladies. Nti olumu oyinza okwesanga tetuli mu kifo kyekimu ffenna but lwetufunye chance nensisinkana kolo bane twesanga tuli ku office ffenna oba nga tuli mu studio ffenna like they are really amazing.
Bakulabanga competition?
No, they don't. We're family.
Do they see as a threat?
I don't think so. I don't think so. Because sichiwa nti kisoboka n'okusoboka. Buli omu ayina talent here. There is a reason as to why everyone was signed.
Okay.
So nsubira.
Yes, music industry was, let's say this is your first professional breakthrough. Ani inspiring agwenga gwesawaza?
When right now. Okay. Abantu aba inspiring basically in this music industry. I love Juliana Kanyomozi very much.
Okay.
Wade tachali nnyo nti apikanga bogamba ndongo yakati apika, you know, but she's amazing ti mu mwaka gumu ne waba akoze tune emu omulaba nti she's outstanding. She's different from the rest. Nti ne bwobolaba nga ne bwe diyo yasemba y'okufulumya but ne bwe mwogerako bwogezi nawe mu byokiwulira nti she's special. You get my point.
Okay.
And I love Irina Mubiro. I love that lady as well. Era bwe batyo batambula. Yeah.
Okay, so let's talk about Katogera project. How is the project etandiketya and okutuuka wano like hiccups chezi bademu?
I don't know if it is a blessing, but this project Yetufulumiza, it is the very first project Nakola and Swangz Avenue. So I should say it is a blessing to come. I am blessing it down to Montandi Kwayange. Era bwentambudde.
Okay, so tell us more about the project. The name and audio yayo.
Oluyimba olwo omuwandiisi Dr. Brain. Producer Yabade Bomba made my beat.
Okay.
Yes. It is called Sweetheart. Like I said, we're spreading love, nothing less.
Okay. Omuyimbi
and the video.
Video Yabade ya Eronea yakoze ko video. Yes,
but where like Gwengagwe, how do you think Bafan are gonna receiving this music? Gwengagwe.
According to me, actually, I should say this. Thank you so much, everyone that has supported me physically, mentally, spiritually. Like, people have really shown me love. Abantu banjagadde. My friends, they've been there to push me. Nebo letabulesi katiza, nebo kola because the poster are coming soon. They're excited. They'll post you everywhere. Like, it has really been a very good time for me.
Do you believe that music is all about competition?
My dear, the world, not even music, but the world is competition itself. Toina wogenda kugenda watali competition.
So you have come to compete with the Winwa, Jivika, Agawe?
No. I'm not competing with any of them. But I'm just giving my best.
Okay.
I'm just giving my best. I'm shooting my shots.
abakyala bakubye bye bakubye.
My talent is enough kuchokugattako because I believe it is special talent.
All right. Tusuubire ki gwe kyogenda okwongera ku Swangz ate osuubira Swangz egenda kwongera koki?
Swangz Avenue yanyongeddeko dda because this is not how I have been. Myezi ene mabega siwenti bwembadde. My life has already changed.
Camera wadde okumala okukola sajja za Snapchat.
No. Mbaddemu mu camera naye nga I'm not the main character. Yes, ngambira mu ba backups, backup artists. Okubye nnyo. Like sibadde main but mbaddemu. So getting back to the Swangz Avenue bit. When it's already because they are really doing a lot. And I want to thank my team. I want to thank Swangz Avenue as a whole, the directors. I want to thank Mr. Julius. I want to thank Ben, like everyone, literally everyone, because they've really done a lot for me. Okay. Sayininze, I hope for the best.
We got 3 sisters.
We are now 4 sisters.
Now you are 4.
Yes.
Njagala otutangazeemu abo abakyala abasatu buli omu omumenyeko kiki ky'omwegombako.
Wow.
Because they are big today.
Wow.
Yes.
Number 1, let me first appreciate all of them because they are talented. They are talented. Buli omu ajjayo the very best of themselves. The very best of themselves. Nti nga bw'ogambye nti maybe wayinza okubaawo competition and all that. For the times they've been there, you've not seen that, right? Kati, I appreciate buli omu nti when it comes to delivering, buli omu are delivering at the best of themselves. You get my point? In their different angles, nti azawi bwakola ekiche, you will appreciate her that way. When Minimwaji comes, mada, you will appreciate. When Vinka comes, of course you will, you know?
Gwogenda okubeerako naye nti tujja beerako because ne Minimwaji bwe yajja era naye bamutijisa ne bamupika. Vinka bwe yajja ne bamupika babadde kwazawe. Kati bali kuggwe ne toyinaamu kutya nti naawe oli season.
I will not call that a season.
Yes.
I will not call that a season. But I believe buli omu nga bwe nagambye nti nga bwe nasaba Katonda ekiseera kyange kituuke. This is my time. This is my time. I believe buli omu nga bwe yali nga alina akaseera ke, they utilize their time well.
These people who were like bwali obeera nabo mu backing wali backing abotumenyeddeko bali okusasula.
Of course.
Wali omanyi tewali kasente.
Wali omanyi byasankayo.
Ndongo nogana kamba kube.
Wali omanyi byasankayo.
Okay, ndakumaliriza. Bintu ki effects ze wali osuubira nga in case manager abudde yakumanaging osokola be mu ceiling nga wali otugambye. Bintu bya wali osuubira kale repercussions after.
Nga ndabye ceiling.
Olina akumanaging nga asoose kulaba ceiling. Osoose laba ceiling.
Ekyo siina bwe nkiddamu kuba nebaza Mukama siina ceiling gye nalaba. Yes. Sirina ceiling gye nalaba ge mazima.
Omala omulungi.
Okulaba ceiling eri nge efokasinze ku music.
And of course oli musician. Era mu balino yita.
Ate bw'ogiramu eyo line. Oba okisse. Tankubuulira. Mbawulira ababyogera era saasira nnyo be bituukako. Naye nze nga nze omu.
Tofunyeeyo ku bikomo bantu kujja ku bannaye omukazi omulungi nga gwe alina n'obuviiri ku magulu
naddadi
ku kyebikemo mu nsi yonna mu ebiri nga naawe bw'otambula n'okemebwa ng'olabye omukyalo omulungi naye ng'olinayo ow'ewaka. So it happens to everyone. We're all human.
Okuze kubeera bwoti otugamba tewali abo yali akutunuza mu ceiling.
Musically.
Negwe olaba ekyo kisoboka.
Musically, caught me right.
ate ne siri
musically.
kiterezeemu ekibatu.
Ah.
Okay, natumaliriza nga tumaliriza music is just erimu different parts like waliwo abakuba ebigoma, waliwo abawritinga, waliwo oyina gundi yonna gy'osobola okuba.
Your
Like instrument.
I believe I'm best an artist and a musician. Ebirala byonna birungi and we appreciate them, but nze nganze ndowooza amaanyi gange galina we gali era that is where I focus.
Speaking of focusing, genre cha music kikachibwa kuba.
Music wange nkola raga. Yes, I'm versatile, I should say.
Okay.
I do a little bit of dance hall.
Alright.
I do a little bit of Afrobeat. Entyo kasavo kanyama. Tewali mutawala.
So, likewise, you have Twinaka moment. We have doing it already. What is your best and worst moment in life?
My best moment in life was the time that I held the papers ngamaze okusigninga contract yange. It was my very, very best moment. And my worst moment was the time when nazika tata wange.
So sad.
It was the time when nazika tata wange. He was the happiest person to see me reach this far. Like, I believe singa abaddewo yali badde yasinga okunsanyukirako kuba bwe yalaba nti nina talent teyankotogera, but he allowed me go for it.
Music heals all souls are all together because like unveil the song to the world.
Wow, sorry about that. But back to the music. My song is called Sweetheart, and we've unveiled it today. I call upon you all people. Mwena. Go to all my social media platforms. Kozesa I am Zafaran. YouTube Rudio Jadu Sangayo. I ask for your support. And the song goes like,
I know uzibu muluzungu ngaba crazy tusema bakolera ojibanjulye mu Uganda.
Oluyimba lwange lwe tutadde olwaleero luyitibwa Sweetheart nga mbadde mbasaba obuwagizi bwammwe. Nsaba mu following ku social media platforms zange zonna nkozesa I am Zafaran. Zafaran is Zafaran. Oluyimba lwange baluyita Sweetheart.
Zafaran.
Wanja.
Kale. To sampling emoko. Actually, what people bukula koko.
Yeah. Bwe bambuza ogenda wa kusanga Sweetheart, omwana yatamira Sweetheart, asanyuse ki bintu bya Sweetheart, omwana yakiteekamu ati kale ba kampite Sweetheart, omwana yatamira Sweetheart, asanyuse ki kujja kwa Sweetheart, ne future yagizannyako party. Go get the best.